guys, good morning. I'm here. We're here in Lime Hotel.
Today we're in Lime.
We're in El Nido. Here comes the... We are here in El Nido, Palawan, in Lime Hotel. We're going to avail a tour package, but looks like it's gonna rain, so we don't know yet what's gonna happen due to the weather, poor weather. Right, honey?
Yes, yo.
Yes, show.
Hey, Meta.
We're going upstairs to check the view upstairs. Okay.
Sixth floor.
Sixth floor.
We're going up.
We're going another floor, guys. There's a pool. Look at that.
8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Kabayong bundat. Live life. Woo. We are here in El Nido. Anong oras nagpipick up ng tour? 8:30 to 9.
What is your concern?
Tour A?
Anong marirecommend nyo?
Yun lang po yung
Tour A?
Secret Lagumpay.
Okay.
Tour A.
Tour A na lang. Dalawa kami.
Morning.
Ay. Kanina pa iniintay.
Kaika.
Puro ka ano?
Matanda na.
Puro kagayak. Okay. Bata.
Yeah, babasag din naman.
El Nido Town Center. Yeah. May tour guide kami. Oh. Bagal-bagal mo. Na Eskinita. What's up? Hindi nga. Mamagaling. Ha? Yan. Taga-bundok, hindi marunong.
Ganun talaga.
Ma'am, doon tayo, ma'am? Okay. Okay. Doon tayo. 10 pa daw hinihintay. Hello guys. Scared. Juk. Guys, mix. Boys.
Thank you so much for choosing El Nido to be a part of your vacation. Welcome to Paradise of Palawan. So because you are here in the Palawan and we're in the north area of Palawan, so I would like to greet you our dialect here at El Nido. So, mayag na timprano, kanindong tanan. First destination is snorkeling. So, that's why don't be shy to raise your hands. Who's not good? Our second is 7 Commando Beach. Our third is Secret Lagoon. Secret now, but I don't know whether. Okay? And our fourth is Lagoon. And our last, the highlight, the iconic place here na El Nido. That's the Big Lagoon. Kayaking activity. So, but the kayak is for rental. There at the...
Hello. How are you? Are you scared? Huh? Are you scared?
Okay everyone, so once again, good morning. So welcome to our first stop, our first destination. This place called Ipil Island. So this place is our snorkeling spot. Snorkeling time. Everyone, if you're lucky today, you
Relax lang, Lolo.
We're about to approach to our second stop. So this is the 7 Commando Beach. So it
So guys, andito kami sa 7 Command Beach. 7 Command Beach.
Ate!
Oh, swimming kami, sarap ng swimming.
Okay everyone, so we're now here and our third stop. This is outside part of the Secret Lagoon. Everybody, just inform to all of you, the Secret Lagoon is there. Yeah, that is the entrance of the Secret Lagoon, everyone. But as of now, the level of the water today, but this time is high tide. So that's why the entrance covered with the water in that part. Okay, but as of now, it's not safe because there's a waves.
Kinakabahan ka ba? Are you nervous? Huh? You should be good. Ayan, magkakaya kami. Hello guys! Andito kami. We're here in, they call it Lagoon. What's that? Blue Lagoon or what? Whatever. Yeah. Dito ka. Enjoy the moment, guys. Sarap-sarap. Nagpe-pedal na ako. Okay guys. Nandito kami sa lagoon. Look at that. It's amazing. Woo. It's amazing. Oh.
Wow! Hi guys!
Hi guys. Lord of the Rings. Oh. It's amazing.
Hanggang doon lang.
This is a kayak train. Okay, here comes the two engines.
Are you ready?
Yay!
Ready!
Go!
Can do it.
Yes, let's do it.
Just relax there.
Just relax. We can do it. Wow. Oh, they have so much power. Sabi nila, relax lang daw tayo. Wow. Dito na pala tayo sa ilalim. Oh, ikaw tagaliko, ani? Oh. Oh, tatama. Isang gamo. Wow. Ganda-ganda ah. Nasa dakong karoon tayo. Mga guys. Look at that. Takot ako. Hiliko. Hindi ka marunong, hiliko. Susundan mo si kuya. Kaya ka nga nasa harap eh. Oh, ayan, ganyan. Magtrabaho ka. Ayan. Sige, abante. Ayan, ang sikip pa. Alin? Wow.
Hello guys!
Where are you? Kala mo naman malalim. Ay, gantuhod lang eh oh. Ang ginagawa? Nakaupo ka?
Delikado to kayo. Yung malakas.
Ani ko naman ako.
Thank you very much! Hi!
That's
Hi
our
kuya! Thank you!
tourist guide.
Yay! Uhahay!
guys, karating lang namin galing sa tour. Ayan, medyo umaraw na ng konti. Okay guys, we're here in El Nido. We rented Honda Click scooter to get around the town. And look at that view! It's a mountain! Look at that! Turn left on Calle View. Okay, we're here. El Nido! Woohoo! El Nido Market! We're in Palawan. Look at the mountain. And we're turning left 200 meters. Going to the port area. Look at that, no. Oh, one way. Why is one way? What are we gonna do? No entry. The El Nido town. Okay. Teka, tingnan muna natin dito sa ano. Sa mismong bilihan. Ano bukas pa. Pag sarado na, tsaka dyan tayo. Good morning guys. We're gonna go now. Sara mo na lang ah. This breakfast is what do you call this? Rice. That and this, what's this?